Okay, grade 10s. We will now be looking at algebraic fractions. So, of course, we will be focusing on fractions. But before we talk about the complicated fractions that we do in this year, let's go look at some of the simpler fractions from our past. So, if you have a look on the left hand side, we have 1 plus 4 over 2. And I want you to just see and understand that this here is one term, right? This is just a single term, which is 5 over 2 when simplified, okay? But this one over here is separating two terms with a addition symbol, and so here we have two terms, okay? And you need to be able to distinguish between the two, otherwise the calculations that you are required to perform are going to be very challenging, okay? So this is one term, okay? There's just a single fraction, one fraction with a numerator and a denominator. But in this case we have two fractions, each with their own numerator and each with their own denominators. So this is our acronym FACS for monomial fracs. So this question over here, 4 over 6, from primary school, you know that simplified this will be 2 over 3. But how do we get to that? Using our FET and our high school knowledge. 4 can be factorized as 2 multiplied by 2. 6 can be factorized as 2 multiplied by 3. After factorizing, we can cancel, quotation marks, those 2's, and then we are just left with 2 over 3, right? And so maybe, I'm hoping you can see that for us to be able to simplify a monomial fraction, we first factorize, which is what I did on both the numerator and the denominator, and then we cancel, and after we cancel, we simplify if possible. Alright, so in this example, there was nothing to simplify because 2 over 3 was the final answer. But the point here is that when you have one term, you factorize, you cancel, and then you simplify. Now I'm just going to pause on the cancel because I hate using that word. So we aren't actually canceling, we are in fact seeing how this value works itself out, because this is 2 multiplied by 2 over 2 multiplied by 3. We can break this up as 2 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3, okay? And then of course this value here is just 1 multiplied by 2 over 3, okay? And so to shorten all of this work here, we just say that those terms cancel, when in actual fact they simplify to 1, which is what makes it appear as though they cancel